Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change the shape of a photo or a picture on Canva. So first things first, you want your picture to already be on the page, or you can do that later. But what you have to do is to click on this elements sign here. So go to your locate your elements icon and click on it. Then you'd type the keyword frame. Either you use frame or you use the mockup keyword. Yes, you see mockups and frames. This frame is like a skeletal version of the mockups, which what I mean is that mockups are a more defined form of the frames. So let's assume you want to change your picture to something, to a different shape or object. You can just select any image or any shape of image you are going for here. And good, so let's assume we want to go for this Superman symbol here. We can enlarge it and then take this image in, and it should appear this way. We can increase it and it should appear like this. So this is how to change your color, the shape of your picture or photo on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, guys, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.